Look what I've got over here, the brand new 11-inch iPad Air and its new big brother, the 13-inch iPad Air as well. And not only that, we're also unboxing every single iPad Air accessory, including the 11-inch iPad Air Smart Folio, the 11-inch Magic Keyboard with the 13-inch iPad Air Smart Folio with the 13-inch Magic Keyboard. Stay tuned till the end because I'm actually going to be telling you why the iPad Air is actually better than the iPad Pro in a lot of ways. For now, we've got a lot to talk about. Let's start unboxing the iPad Air Smart Folio. Apple's actually updated all of the colors for the Smart Folio. Today, we've actually got the Denim Smart Folio and the Sage Smart Folio. So let's go ahead and check it out. How do you open this? That actually looks really good and will look really well with the new colors of the new iPad Air. And this is the Sage. I can't believe we finally have a 13-inch version of the iPad Air. And yeah, this Sage is also really good looking. It's really classy. Let me see if I can actually show you in different lighting just so you can get a main idea of the color, not only of the Sage, but of the Denim as well. I'm a very big fan of this Sage. It looks really good. The iPad Air is compatible with the old Magic Keyboard, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and unbox that. I am such a big fan of the Magic Keyboard. I'm kind of sad that the newest Magic Keyboard is only available for the iPad Pro, which I actually just unboxed it as well. Links in the description if you want to see that. But yeah, the Magic Keyboard is amazing, right? You've got really amazing keys. You've got a stunning floating design. You've got a very clicky trackpad. You don't have the actual function keys. You don't have the volume controls and the brightness controls as you do get on the new keyboard, but it's still amazing. It's not Bluetooth, it just connects right into your Magic connector. There's no Bluetooth, you just connect it to the smart connector on your iPad, and you've got an extra USB-C port over there as well. So yeah, I mean, it's so great that the iPad Air is compatible with the Magic Keyboard. The new iPad Air is also compatible with the new Apple Pencil Pro. I'll tell you about this in just a second, but I'm sure now you're all ready. You're very ready to unbox and to see the new colors and the new version of the 13-inch iPad Air. I am very excited. Which one should we unbox first? Which one do you want? The 13-inch? Okay, let's unbox that later. Let's do the 11-inch one first. This one right here is the blue, and I saw it at the Apple event, and it looks absolutely stunning. Let's go ahead and do the pull tab mechanism. The new wallpaper looks amazing, and as you can see, the camera placement has actually been moved from vertically to horizontally because most people use the iPad with a keyboard, and it was always so bad that whenever you had a FaceTime, you were looking to the left. And there it is. And by the way, no plastic, as you can see on the actual packaging itself. Let's go ahead and lift that really quick. And there's actually something that you probably didn't know about. If I actually lift up the paperwork, as you can see, there's something missing in the iPad Air, because if you're from the EU, there's no power brick inside of the iPad, which is kind of crazy. We do get a USB-C cable right here, and fun fact, there's also no Apple stickers. For the first time ever on an iPad, there are no Apple stickers. It's so crazy that Apple has discontinued its Apple stickers because it was kind of a tradition that whenever you unbox something, but I mean, I get it, you know, so many people have so many Apple stickers and nobody really knows what to do. Anyways, this is the new iPad Air in blue. Let's go ahead and lift up the paperwork just like that. And this blue looks so good in person. It's got this very skyish, this very light bluish, and depending on the light, it does even get lighter or darker in specific situations, but it looks very good. And if you lift up on the top, as you can see, the camera placement, where is it? It's right here. The camera has been moved from here to here horizontally, which is amazing. So that's the sky blue 11-inch iPad Air. Let's go ahead and unbox the 13-inch in the new purple color, which, by the way, is another thing that's new with the iPad Air, apart that it now finally comes with the M2 chip, which is a very nice upgrade. It's not a massive upgrade, but we'll definitely notice it, is that now the storage can get up to 1 terabyte. This iPad right here is actually the 1 terabyte, which is so much storage, especially for an iPad Air. Once again, no power brick. Once again, no stickers. Man, does this purple one look even better in person. Wow. And there it is. It looks very good. Let's go ahead and compare both of them. And I don't even know which one I like better. So there we go. The iPad Air family now comes in 11-inch and 13-inch version. Something that Apple actually didn't talk about in the keynote is that this is actually the cellular version, but as you can see, there's no SIM tray because Apple actually decided to ditch the SIM tray and go all in with eSIM, which is super interesting. One single camera lens. The iPad Air still doesn't have a flash. We still get Touch ID, 4 stereo speakers. The camera, once again, has been moved up to the top. Before we set it up, and I wanted to show you the wallpapers and the new camera placement and stuff, I wanted to show you how the cases themselves look with the new one. So that's the blue iPad with the denim case, which looks so good. It's such a good combo to have, the all blue. I'm very curious about this purple with the sage. That looks very good as well. Something funny about this layout is that Apple has added the camera up in the top, but the Apple logo is still vertical. So it's kind of weird. I'm sure Apple will eventually change this, but it's probably the last thing they want to change. But the Apple logo is still vertical. It should be like horizontally, both on the case and on the iPad itself. Wow, do I like these new colors. All right, so I've set up the iPad Air, and the first thing that I wanted to check with you is the new wallpaper that actually comes with it. So let's go ahead and discover it together. There should be new, there they are. And they should come in different colors. Yes, so it comes in blue, it comes in purple, in starlight, and gray. The starlight one, it feels like very goldish and rose goldish. I like it a lot. But since this iPad is purple, I'm going to go ahead and add the purple one. So I wanted to show you really quickly the Apple Pencil Pro and the way that it works. So let's go ahead and open up Apple Notes in just a second. And I'm going to put full screen. And if I actually put the Apple Pencil Pro, it automatically pairs. So if I actually squeeze on my Apple Pencil, my tool palette automatically opens up. But are you ready for this? If I actually go on my settings and tap on Apple Pencil and then tap on squeeze, this is the mind-blowing part about this new Apple Pencil. You can add a shortcut to the squeeze. So if I tap on record, when I squeeze my Apple Pencil, it will automatically start recording. The possibilities are endless. If you want to see how to take the full potential of your Apple Pencil Pro and all the amazing features that it has, you can tap this video right here, or you can watch my unboxing of the iPad Pro, or you can subscribe, or you can listen to my podcast, or I'm giving you tons of options. Shortcuts on Apple Pencil Pro is the best thing about this pencil, and nobody's talking about it. I am mind blown.